Welcome to another episode of Cleaning with the Academy. I'm your coach, Dave Thompson, and today we're back in the restroom with some more hacks on how to use a pump-up sprayer properly. So instead of using that trigger sprayer, use these. Now, most people start up here spraying their chemical. Wrong, don't do that. The reason is because it makes streaks coming down the wall. You don't want that. So what are you going to do? You're going to pump up your sprayer and you're going to start right down here at the bottom and you're going to spray your wall and come up the wall, going like this. Now what that's going to do is going to give your chemical time to dwell on the wall where it's the worst, not up here. It won't make streaks. Come on back and I'll show you how we clean this off, whether you're using a cleaner or we're using a disinfectant.